A very good morning to all of you. Yesterday we started with a topic that is operator, and operator are basically used to perform some operation. So in yesterday class we studied about the logical operator, okay, arithmetic operator, comparison operator, relational, fine. So these operator we already studied. Now today we will start with the fifth operator, that is assignment operator. So assignment operator are used to assign to the variables. Assign values to the variables. Fine. In one comparison operator, you find out the sign double equals to. So there, that is double equals to is used to compare two values, but single equals to will consider here to assign value to the right side of expression to the left side of operator operand. If you see x is equals to y plus z, that means whatever the result comes y after y plus z, that value will be assigned to the x. Okay, x operand. Fine. Next we will see add plus and equals to. That means add and. Fine. Add right side operand with the left side operand and then assign to the left operand. If it's come like this, then if you write in a proper expression, the value comes out a is equals to, that means a is equals to a plus b. Fine. If whatever the result of a plus b, that will be assigned to a. Similarly for the subtraction, multiplication and division. Fine. Which, yeah, now modulus and divide floor, power, any bitwise operator. This can be this equals to sign. Assigning can be done with any operator. Fine. Now we will see some other operators also. There are some special type of operator. First one is your identity operator. Okay, first one is your identity operator. In identity operators, we will see is and is not. Is and is not are the identity operator. Both are used to check if two values are located on the same part of the memory. Again, I am repeating, these operators are used to check if two values are located on the same part of the memory. Two variables that are equal does not imply that they are identical. Fine. if अगर दो वेरिएबल्स की वैल्यू इक्वल है तो इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि they are identical. We can take example. If two children have a same name, that doesn't mean that they are identical. Fine. Here we will see some examples. Okay, first see what E is and what is not means. Is true if the operands are identical. Is true if the operands are identical. Is not means they are not identical. Fine. Here you can see A1 is 3, B1 is 3. A1 is not B1 means A1 is not identical with B1. As if you see, we use ID to determine the identity of a variable. Okay, there you will find that you will get different ID if for two variables. Fine. Similarly here, A1 is not B1. Fine, that means they are not identical. If we write this, then Python programming, again Python programming, are they identical? It's is means yes, they are identical. Fine. Again you can see in this, and here print A2 is B2. Look at this. Here A2. What is A2? A2 is a string. Okay, Python programming, and B2 is again a string. So they are identical, true or false? Yeah, they are identical. Now, let's see another example. Another print A3 is B3. A3 and B3 are list. Okay, A3 and B3 are list. So, list are mutable. That's why they cannot be identical. The output will come false. One more example we will see. Yeah. In string 1, we store hello, and string 2, we take input from a user. String 1 is hello. If we say we enter a string, is just enter hello. Okay. Is string 1 is equals to string 2? We have to compare. Yes. The answer 1 will come yes. But if say string 1 is string 2, the answer will be false because they will store on a different address. Fine, because if you check two address refer to the same memory address or not. Fine. So they will give you, if you use equals to, yeah, they are equals to because string 1 is containing hello and string 2 is also containing hello. But if you use is operator, then the output will come false because is used to check the identity. That's why they are called identity operator. Next is your membership operator. Similarly, as we see in identity, we see here also two operators. One is your in and another one is not in. Okay, in and not in are the membership operator, and they are used to test whether a value or a variable is in sequence. Whether a value or a variable is in sequence. Fine. Let's see example, then you will get understood it better. First, okay, here the value we store x variable contain digital India, and y is having a value, it's a word dictionary. Okay, now here y is containing this value. Print d in x. Now print d in x, again digital not in x. Is d in x? Yes, d is here in the x. If we see digital not in x, yeah, because here first letter is small, so it will say not in x. Now again digital not in x, it's in x. Okay, digital is in x, so it will gives you false because it's in x. 3 in y, yes, 3 in y. B in y, it will gives you false. Why? Because here you will compare 3 and 4. Okay, this is the index value. Fine. Now next come to the operator precedence and associativity. Precedence, you all know that which will get first preference, then second, then third, and so on. So precedent describe the order in which operation are performed when an expression is evaluated. Operators with higher precedence perform the operation first. In maths, you must be study about the board mass. According to the board mass, you have to first evaluate bracket, then your off, then divide, multiply, addition, and subtract. Similarly, in computer, operator have some precedence. If in a one line there are more than 5 or 6 operator of same category, then how will you perform? You have to check for the precedence, that which one have a highest precedence, that will be first evaluated. Now second is operator associativity. Whenever two or more operators have the same precedence, Then associativity defines the order of operation. Okay, I'm again saying, if two operators have same precedence, then the associative will come in the picture. Associativity define the order of operation, and associativity means left to right or right to left. Here you will see some operator, and the precedence is from first one will have first, okay, top to bottom. Fine. So you will find out these bracket, then FARGS, then index again. These you will see. I will send you the picture of this, and check out which have a high precedence and which one have a lower precedence. And associative means left to right, means if two operator have same precedence, then you have to go, if its bracket have same, then you have to go left to right. Only exponent has right to left. Always remember, only exponent. In case of exponent, you have to perform right to left, otherwise left to right. Fine. Now we will see example of operators. Yeah. Okay. Wait a minute. Fine. Okay. Yeah. I hope everything is clear to everyone. Still, I will increase some font so it will be visible to everyone. Where is the format? Format. Yeah, it's here. Indent reason. Okay. I will check out like this only. Control plus. Is it increasing? No. Fine. Operation. Zoom high. Oh, it's increased. Okay, we will check how it will. I don't know how it will increase the size of the font in this window. It's something else. Okay, let's see. It will be visible to you. First one, we study about the arithmetic operators. Here you can see example, x is equals to 4, y is equals to 5, print x plus y. It's just a very simple, okay, it will print the value of x plus y. Now, uh, yeah, I will run this file also, so that same time you will check the output also. Missing parenthesis in call, okay, fine, yeah. Again in the print statement where parentheses are missing, did you mean print line 1, x is available for a given list? What it's saying, print x plus y. Parentheses, which line showing another? Now let's see again, programming. Yeah, it's here some parenthesis error were there, so I just add parenthesis to the print statement, so that took time. Now we will see from the starting. Here are we can change it to x, because I was thinking why it's giving error. Yeah, now let's see. First one is your x is equals to 4 and y is equals to 5. Print x plus y. Simply it's performing an arithmetic operator, that is addition. Fine. You can perform any arithmetic over here. Instead of plus, you can perform plus. Sorry, Control Z. Yeah. Okay. So we will run it again and we will see. Yeah. Here the power of 4 is to 5. Come 1024. So any operator you can use like this. Now second is comparison operator. Comparison means you have to check either it is smaller than, greater than, equals to, like this. Okay. So again the coding will be like that, only the change is that you have to use comparison operator instead of arithmetic operator. Now assignment operator. Assignment means you are assigning a value to a variable. Num1 is equals to 4, num2 is equals to 5. You are assigning 4 to num1 and 5 to num2. If we print the values, it will give in num1. Here you can see in line 1 the value of num1 is 4 and line 2 value of num2 is 5. Now compound assignment operator. That means simply a assignment operator. You are, as I told you, that if there is a plus and equals to, okay, that those are called compound assignment operator also. Here value are 4 and 5, simply addition, that is arithmetic. Now here you can see compound assignment. That means res is equals to plus or equals to num1. You can write res is equals to res plus num1. Fine. So you will get the output here, and the output is 13. How 13 will come? If you simply add 4 plus 5, it comes 9. But how? It comes because it says res. What's value in res? 9 plus num1 have 4. That's why it's come 13. Now logical operator. Logical operator, whether you have to check and or not. Okay, 3. It's true or a false. If we see A is true and false. In AND operator, you know, if both the input are true, then you will get output true. Here one is false, though, so you will get the false result. Okay. Now second one is your OR. One of them is true, then you will get true result. The same thing is written over here, output you will get true. Not is just a vice versa of for operator. So perform not, it's perform not on A. The value of A is true, the result you will get false. Okay, wait now. output screen. Yeah, fine. Membership operator. Wait a minute, I will scroll it down. Yeah, here you will find out membership operators. Fine. In membership operator, you will see that x is equals to 4, y is equals to 4. Here one list is defined and you have to check if x in list or not an in. Okay, these are called membership operators. Also you can check it if it's in or not. X is equals to, here you can say x in list and the value of x is 4. Is 4 in list? Yes. Okay, else it will print this statement. Y in not list? Fine, you have to check only this thing and you will get a result over here. Now next is your identity operator. Wait. Okay, we will see it in full screen. Yeah. Wait a minute. Fine. Identity operator means is or is not. Okay, so is or is not, you can say 20 x is equals to 20 and y is equals to x is y. If x is y, it will print this, and y is 30. Here you change the value, x is not y, different identity. If both have same identity, it will print true. If not having same, it will print the other identities. See here, actually I will show you precedent, how you will check the precedence of an operator. I will write it somewhere here. Fine. Now here some variables are giving with the value and your equation is this one. So here you find multiple operator, which operator you will perform first. Fine. So you will check out the precedence of the operator, then you will go for the output. If simply we solve out v plus w is 9. Okay. Then into x. I'm not taking right now precedence. Fine. Okay. Yeah. Wait. Fine. Now we will see here value of x is 8 and division by y. Y is your 2. So what will be the output here? 9 into 4. That will be 36. Because if you see board mass, you have to first solve the bracket value. The result will come here 4 plus 5, 9. Fine. Then you have to solve division. 8 divided by 2, you will get 4. 9 into 4, 36. In result, you will get the 36 value. Now, today we will finish up with operators. Okay. Data type, variable, operator. The basic of Python we already done. Now, we will study all these things in a explanatory manner. So have a good day and do your work on time and study hard.